Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about a video that I made in the past about unlocked phones. And I just want to cover some points that I noticed people were commenting on the video. Some things that people are confused about. And I just want to talk about them in this video just to clear up some misunderstanding that people are having about unlocked phones. Okay, so for years the phone company had us believe that you had to have a contract to get better service, get certain apps, get updates, all this different stuff. But that's not really true, because most of the stuff that you see that's coming through the phone is not through the phone company. Most of the updates, and I should say all the updates that you get from your phone, is actually coming from the manufacturer, the person who actually makes the phone. So if Samsung have updates to their phones, you usually get it from Samsung and not AT&T, Verizon, or any other phone company that's out there. So that's one of the things that I want to clear up, because some people believe that if you get an unlocked phone, your phone will not get updates anymore. So Apple is the one that's pushing out the updates to their phone. Samsung is pushing out the updates to their phone, and so forth and so forth. Now, if the phone company puts certain apps on the phone that they develop, then yes, you probably won't get those updates. But if you buy an unlocked phone in the first place, you don't have to worry about all that extra software that they're putting on the phone to bloat up your phone with all these extra apps. So you wouldn't need any updates from them in the first place. There's another question about, can you actually add apps or get access to the App Store if you get an unlocked phone? Yes, you can. You can still access whatever app store that comes with your phone, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It doesn't matter. You can still get your apps and update those apps on the phone with an unlocked phone. Another question that I run into is, an unlocked phone legal? There's nothing illegal about having an unlocked phone. As a matter of fact, if you go to Samsung, Apple, or any other phone manufacturer, the people who make the phone are actually selling the phone unlocked, which is an option to the other ways that you can buy the phone itself. You can buy the phone through a plan through Verizon or any other phone company that you deal with, but you can also purchase the phone unlocked for you to take it to any service. You can even go prepaid with your unlocked phone, because if you don't want to have some type of lockdown with any other phone company, then you can just go month to month, and when you decide you want to jump ship, you can jump ship at any time. Another question is about the service. Now, you're not getting a lower grade service by going with an unlocked phone. Your unlocked phone is still connecting to the same towers as somebody who went through the phone company to get the phone. So if they're getting 4G service, you're getting 4G service. If they're getting 5G service, you're going to get 5G service. You still get your voicemail, you still do the texting, everything that the person does that they're getting with the phone company phone, you can do the same with your unlocked phone. So you're not going to get crappy service where you can't make phone calls. You'll still be able to send texts. Your internet speed is going to be the same speed as the person who purchased the phone through the phone company. So trust me, even though they know the phone is not purchased through one of their stores, they're not going to slow down your service because they want your business. If they realize that you're getting crappy service, they already know you're going to jump ship to somebody else. So they're not going to slow you down or limit you as far as service so they can lose you as a customer. Another question, can I use my phone in another country? Now, that all depends on the network. The GSM network is a more broader network. It's used more globally versus the CDMA. Now, I've purchased several phones for family members and sent them to different countries and never had any problem them connecting it to their service in another country. So all you have to do is check within your country what kind of network service they provide. GSM, CDMA. The unlocked GSM phone are going to be more versatile because, like I said, more countries on the globe use that network. So therefore, you can go from one country to the next, put in another SIM card, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm saying 99.9% of the time, you can take it to another country and you shouldn't have any problem. And if you live in another country and say you want to purchase a phone from the US and you want to ship it to another country, it's easily done because, like I said, I personally have done that several times. So I just want to let you know that pretty much anything you can do with an unlocked phone. It makes you a little bit more versatile. Now, do you have to get unlocked phone? No, you can go with the regular phone that's locked into the service if that's what you choose. The unlocked phone is for people who want to be a little bit more versatile. They don't want to be tied down. But there's not one better than the next and there's not one worse than the next because it's the exact same phone. A brand new Samsung phone and a brand new Apple phone, and I'm using those as an example because they're the most popular phones. They're the same phone, whether you decide to go with a network enabled phone or an unlocked phone. And it doesn't matter if you go straight with a plan or you're going prepaid. You're still getting the same phone with the same service, the same features, and nothing is being dumbed down. Nothing is being taken away from you. You're getting all the benefit whether you go unlock or not. So keep that in mind when you're shopping, that you're not losing anything whether you go unlock or you go straight to the phone company to get your phone. You're just choosing convenience for freedom. Now, if you decide to go with the unlocked phone and you take it to the phone company to get a service, they're not going to deny you. They're not going to tell you we don't actually service those phones. They're just going to let you know that they'll provide a SIM card and the service, but pretty much everything is on you from that point on. All right, so I hope that kind of clear up some misunderstanding about an unlocked phone and a phone that you get with a regular plan. So there's nothing wrong with getting an unlocked phone, even though some people think that's illegal or anything like that. So don't feel like you're getting some crappy phone that's gonna get a lot of spam and viruses and stuff like that. That's not what it's about. The phone is just unlocked from the phone company, that's all. Because I hear a lot of things about unlocked phones that they might not be legal, they're subject to viruses and all kind of different stuff. But I'm trying to clear your mind that that's not the case. If that was illegal, if it was illegal, I should say, then why would Apple and all those other companies be selling unlocked phones? Now, I've been using unlocked phones since the iPhone 4. And I haven't had any problems since then. And I've been on different networks, different services, and the phones still work perfect. I still get all my phone calls, I still get all my texts, I still get all my updates, and everything the phone needs to function for my sake. All right, so I hope that cleared things up for you a little bit. If you're still on the fence about getting an unlocked phone because there's some miscommunication about it, but if you still have questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.